Hey guys, so while I was editing this video, I realized that I didn't make an intro or an outro. So, just a little background. I'm going to Texas State University for this year and I will be staying in San Jacinto Hall. And so that's kind of reference, maybe if you're looking into Texas State for next year or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and comment down below maybe what university you guys go to, if you go to one, or if you're still in high school, let me know. I'd love to know. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so when you first walk into the bathroom, this is what my side looks like, and then my roommate has her side as well. So starting from the bottom, I just have this rug and it's from Target. And then over here I have face wash, mouthwash, and then toothbrush, toothpaste, and some hand soap. And then this little hand towels from Target. And inside here I just have your typical medicines, and I have some hair products in there. And then in here is the toilet and the shower, but there's not really much to see. So now we're gonna go into my room. Okay, so when you first walk in, I have this command hook here, and it's holding all of my room keys, my purse, and some little wallets here. And then coming over to this little corner, I have my little coffee stand, and I got this from Walmart. It's just a nice gray color. And this coffee maker is from Walmart as well. It came with this little thing for ground coffee, and then I also have another thing that I can use for K-cup kind of coffee holders. And then over here on the top shelf, I just use I put my everyday kind of use thing. And so I have my straws, my coffee, and then my honey that I use in place of sugar. And then down here on the second little shelf, I have two bowls, and I got these from, I think, Walmart. And then I don't know where this coffee mug is from, but this one is from Target. And then back there I have a little water, kind of reusable water cup, and then that one can be used for both. And that one just has my school's logo on it. And then down here on the third shelf, I just have plates and straws and some napkins, and I think I also have extra coffee back there. Then coming over here, I have my window, and over here I just have my drapes, and they're from I want to say Bed Bath & Beyond. Sorry for the lighting. And then over here I have my little light tree, which is from Amazon. And then in the corner here I have my backpack, which I also bought off of Amazon. It's a North Face, and it's the gesture kind. Then coming over to my desk, here's a little pan overview. Up top here, I just got this little grid. These have been really popular lately. I got it off of Amazon, and I'm just using command hooks to hook everything onto the wall because you can't really use anything else. And I just printed off some pictures from Walmart. And then these cute little pink clips are also off of Amazon. Then over here I have my fan, and I got this fan from Amazon as well. And then my speaker is Bose. I think it's just from the Bose shop. And then right here is my makeup organizer, which I got from TJ Maxx, and ignore this little part right there. Then this cute little K-cup, I'm just using it to hold my everyday kind of jewelry in it. And this is from Pure One Imports. And then this picture frame is from Walmart. Then on this little the desktop, I have this light, which is actually pretty cool. It kind of opens up like this, and you can just change the warmth of the color, so that's cool. And then this is from Amazon as well. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Then I have my Surface laptop, which my parents got me as a graduation gift. And then right here I have this little light. I don't remember where I got it from. It's like one of those light up mirrors because it's got these little dots right here. Then I just keep my chapstick here, and then right here this is just a gray like desk organizer. Found it on Amazon, and you can like put this on here or you can take them off, but I do have books to put on here right now, so I just decided to put them all on. And then right here I have a little thing for my camera. I have a portable charger, a little notebook, and my calculator. Then in here I just keep highlighters, pens and pencils, and then some scissors, just some random stuff, and then erasers and extra lead for pencils. Then right here I have my planner, which is actually surprisingly from Walmart. And then I'm not sure where this little notebook is, but it's really cute. I just use it to plan videos in it. Then coming back over here, this is like my desk chair. By the way, the desk, the chair, and then some other things I'm going to show you guys is like over there, and it all came with the room already. But there's a little drawer right here in this desk, and I'm just using it to hold all of my makeup. So honestly, it goes pretty far back. Like we're still going. And so yeah, that's just an overview of kind of what I decided to bring. And obviously like I put more stuff in like that little container up there. This is like, the container is more of like my everyday kind of things and stuff like that. Then coming down here, I just put some extra things back here, like extra light bulbs, command hooks, things like that. And I have some medicine right here, and then all the way in the back I have like cords or something like that. Then down here I have my makeup bags that I don't really need to use, so I put them all the way in the back. And then in the front here I just have things I use like every day after I get out of the shower. And then I just have some perfumes. I just didn't want it cluttering the top of my desk. And then coming over here, this is the closet, and it's really big. It has two sliding like mirror doors, which I think is really cool for a dorm room especially. So this is kind of the overview from the side. So down here I just have my luggage and extra bags. I just use this kind of stuff to move in with. And then I have distilled water, which I put in that steamer right there. And that steamer I think I actually got from Walmart. It works really well. And then right here I have my vacuum, which I also got from Walmart. And I'm not sure where this luggage is from, if I'm being honest. And then coming over here, I just keep my tank tops and hats right here. And yeah, it is really wrinkled because we space bagged everything to like get it moved. So I guess whenever I wear it, like that's when the steamer will come in. And then here I have my jewelry organizer. I got this from the Container Store. And on this side, I'm just kind of putting like all of my jewelry that I wouldn't necessarily wear like every single day. And then on this side, I'm just kind of putting random things that I probably would only wear like to events and things like that. Then all the way at the top, I have just a little beach towel because there's a river right by our campus. And then I have my towels right here and some more towels and extra sheets up there. And then obviously all my clothes right here, and these hangers are like the no-slip ones. I got them off of Amazon. They're black and they're felt. And then coming over to the other side. Okay, so on the other side of the closet, I just have these two little like Velcro and like shelving things. So this one, they're both from Amazon. This one I'm just kind of keeping my like track shorts and things like that, and these two shelves are kind of empty. I don't really have anything to put in there, but this is just like a lint roller. And then I am keeping my jeans there, and then I just decided to kind of do this thing with my tennis shoes because I don't have like enough space for them all to take up like two spots like that. But the sandals I just kind of folded over themselves. And then down here I just have, if it'll focus, I just have a pair of black heels and then a pair of wedges that obviously wouldn't fit in that little rack. Then over here I have this little like bedside table kind of thing. The university, like, it comes in your dorm, same with like the whole bed frame and the mattress. So on the top here I just get my headphones. I usually put my phone up here at night, and my watch charger is right here. It just slides down if it's not held on to something, so it'll probably slide down. But then on this first shelf I just have all of my snacks, kind of. You can kind of see what I got. And then down here I have a few more snack items, and then I have napkins, trash bags, like things like that. And then coming down here, I just keep my phone charger right here. Like, I looped it through my bed frame because that way it doesn't like keep falling on the ground or anything like that. So this is just some extra stuff that I'm not using. And then right here is my dirty clothes, like camper. I'm pretty sure I got this from Walmart. Then right here, this dresser also came with the room. And in the first dresser drawer, I just have like undergarments and swimsuits. In this middle one, I have all of my t-shirts, which really aren't all of my t-shirts because I had to leave a lot at home. But again, they're kind of wrinkled too. And then in this last drawer, I just have pajama pants, leggings, jean shorts, and then I have pajama shirts, and then like some cute like little light pairs of shorts. Then over here I have my fridge. I got this from Walmart, I'm like pretty sure, and not much in it. I just have some milk, coffee creamer, some eggs, and some waters. And if you can see this thing right here, not sure where it came from. I think my grandma sent it to me a long time ago. I just thought I might use it, so I just brought it with me. And right here is a second part to that grid that is holding all my photos. Now coming up to the bed area. So these sheets, I have this not a pair, but like this set of sheets. This one's a light pink color. This is from TJ Maxx, and I have a white set that is also from TJ Maxx. And then I have this little like kind of like sit-up pillow. I don't really know what to call it. And this is from Target. It's so soft and plush. And then this pillow and that pillow I brought from home, and I don't remember. I think this one's a my pillow, but I'm not really sure. And that came with the sheet set, and then this one came with the comforter set. And this pillow I think I got from Home Goods. And then this comforter I got from, I'm gonna say JCPenney's. It's a Kate Spade. I can link it down below. And then this blanket I got from Christmas like last year. I don't really remember where it came from, but it's just light blue, and it's like got that fuzzy material on the inside. I don't know what to call it. And then around my bed here, I have these Christmas lights that I bought from Walmart like a really long time ago. I remembered about them and I was like, oh, I'll put them in here. And then this little garland here, I actually made myself, and I just looked something up off of Pinterest to make it. And then this monogram up here, it looks really dark on camera, but it's not that dark in person. I actually ordered that off of Amazon from like a single seller. And then down here I have my trash can, and that's also from Amazon.